Good evening, USSVI. Tim Carlisle, National Senior Vice and Chief Technology Officer. I'm going to cover the base activity report this evening. It should be fairly quick. First of all, I'm going to show a base activity report in a paper form. Let me share my screen and we'll go for this. Oh, one sec. Here we go. This is a sturgeon base. They're the last base to send me one, so they get to be the lucky person here. Now, the thing that remember, we ask you to do the paper form so it will calculate everything for you. Once you've got that calculated and you've typed what you want to type, it makes it very, very easy for you to use. Now, I'll give you a great example of that. Okay, so now we're going to go to the actual form. And I have the paper form right here in front of me so I can look at it. So the base we're choosing is the sturgeon base, ES4 sturgeon. It's right there. Okay, and now all we're doing is taking the average number. You put in the base members, the number that attend your meeting by month, and we're just going to go through this. So for our first month, they had 0.39. Second month is 0. Third month is 0. Fourth month is 0.47. Fifth month, 0.47. Sixth month is going to be 0.48. Seventh month is 0.47. Next month, 0.61, 0.55, 0.44. 0.58 and 0.59. Now it also gives you a total. Their total happens to be 0.50. You then click Next. How many parades did your base participate in? They did 2 parades, 2 submarine events, 2 memorials, 1 community event, and 0 other community events. Hit the next button. How many Eagle Scout presentations? They did 0, 0 Cats for Kids, 2 school presentations, 0 color guard, 1 Eternal Patrol, and 0 other. Hit next. How many base awards were received? 0. Recognition of base members at National Regional District Base, 0. Okay, longevity pins, there were 3. Holland Club induction, 0. Next is any other award, 0. And then you hit next. How many members lost to Eternal Patrol? They lost 1. How many transfers? 0. How many members lost to non-renewal? 1. Hit next. How many new base members were recruited? They recruited 1. How many monetary contributions? 2. Any other significant comments? Now, what you can do here is if you've typed all this into your form, technically you could try to copy all of this in each of these sections into this one field. Sometimes it can be kind of troublesome to do, but it can be done. One second here, I went to the wrong one, I think. Here we go. Okay, so you say any other significant comments. You can just copy that in there. These are all the things they did. And if you so choose, you can copy it from all 3 sections. All I did is just go into this PDF form and right click and copy, and then go back here, and I'll just copy some more. Let me see, hit return. And then there's some more stuff as well. So I go to this very last one and then I copy that as well. Okay, how many new bases were chartered? This is for district commanders. If you have a district commander at your base, if you don't, zero. How many bases deactivated? Zero, unless and then you hit next. Signature, position, date. So I'm just going to type in my name here, and we'll just say it's Tim Carlisle. Hit the caps lock button. And then you hit submit. Once you have hit submit, now your report is done and recorded. And I'm going to go show you what that really looks like. So we're going to go over here, move some stuff around here, go to the Google Drive. And when somebody puts in a base activity report, now realize the only people who can actually change this is one person, me. So if you make a mistake, it's fine. You can either re-enter everything and let me know, or you cannot. So as you go into this form under form responses, you'll see that it lists the sturgeon base. Now we already know the sturgeon base is in here. No problem. So what I am going to do is all I do is copy this data off into a different form. It takes me about a minute. So the way you can verify that, if you put it all in and I've seen the data, your district commander can go to ES4 and he can look under sturgeon. Voila, there are the numbers that they care about. Because each base has a little link and then we add up everything else. Uh, District commanders, regional directors, all those guys, they don't have to do anything here. All they do is just make sure that things get handled and the data goes right in. It's pretty smooth as silk. Hopefully, this didn't go too awfully long, less than 10 minutes so far. You can always reach me at ussviwebsitequestions.org. The primary problems that we've had in my experience is that people are not hitting that submit button or they didn't fill out all the fields and the submit button is grayed out. So it should give you a response that you've submitted once you've done so. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. My cell phone, 925-812-4239. Thank you. Have a great one. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.